tech revolution. How smart homes are, transforming the real estate landscape. Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Pankaj Kedar's show, the real estate strategist. This is Pankaj Kedas, and today we are going to be diving into an electrifying topic that's basically reshaping the real estate game. So, which is nothing but tech revolution. How smart homes are transforming the real estate industry, the landscape. So get ready for a transformation journey into the future where homes are not just places to live, but intelligent, interactive spaces. Let's explore the rise of smart homes. Imagine basically a home that anticipates your needs and responds to your commands. In this segment, we'll be unraveling the rise of smart homes and how cutting-edge technology is seamlessly integrated into the fabric of our living spaces, revolutionizing the real estate landscape. Intelligent connectivity. Connectivity is at the forefront, is at the heart of the technological revolution. So join us as we explore how smart homes are becoming, hubs of intelligent connectivity. So picture a world where your thermostat talks or takes you to your lights and your, security system, communication with your virtual assistant, making your home not just smart, but brilliantly interconnected. Energy efficiency and sustainability. Technology isn't about, making our lives more convenient. Rather, it's also making our homes greener. Imagine a home that optimizes energy usage, reduces wastes and contributes to a sustainable future. We'll delve into how smart technologies enhancing energy efficiency and promoting, eco-friendly living. Security reinvented. Gone are the days of those traditional locks and keys. In this segment, we'll showcase how, smart homes are defining security. Picture homes are basically advanced surveillance systems, facial recognition, and smart doorbell cameras as providing a new level of safety and peace of mind. Home automation action. Let's take a close look at homes or home automation in action. Imagine controlling your home's lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems with a simple voice command or a tap on your smartphone. We'll explore the experience, we'll explore the convenience and luxury of living in a fully automated home. Virtual home tours, augmented reality. In the ever-evolving, real estate landscape, technology is transforming how we explore homes. Imagine taking virtual tours of using augmented reality to basically visualize changes in a space before making a purchase. Showcase how these innovations are shaping the way we buy and sell homes. The future of smart homes. As we look ahead, we'll imagine the future of smart homes. What technologies are on the horizon and how will they continue to redefine the real estate landscape? Join us for a glimpse into the exciting possibilities that lies ahead. Are you ready to experience the future in your own home? Join our techie savvy community. Hit subscribe, comment below with your favorite tech features, and stay connected for exclusive updates and discussions. Join our WhatsApp community using the link in the description. So let's shape the future of real estate technology together. Thank you very much. Signing off for now. See you in my next video.